Hey, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about Simple Commissions and their product Mailbot. And I want to start this video out by asking one simple question. When was the last time that Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, right, any of those email provider sites, when was the last time that they paid you a significant amount of money just simply for using their service and providing their services to other people? So give me your full undivided attention for the next few minutes. This is going to be a more proof and more stats video. And once this video is over, to get access and get your free demo of this Mailbot AI tool, all you need to do when this video is over is go to the description below this video so you can see how to get your demo and learn more about this. So let me just share some things with you. As it says here, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So when you get access to this page, you're going to watch this 3-minute quick video overview explaining more about the system. You're going to scroll the page, learn more things that Mailbot can do for you and your business, and you're definitely going to want to get your free demo and send my Mailbot an email so that you can test this out and see if it's something that would benefit you in your business. So let me break this down a little bit more and let me share some stats with you really quickly. So this morning I woke up to another payment. You can see the date here. You know, I don't know when it is you're watching this video, but this payment came in for $100. And instant payments paid directly to me through my Stripe account. But, you know, I share this simply because I want you to clearly understand this is a real moneymaker because it's a problem solver. And I'm going to talk about the problem that most people have. Now, you've probably heard the phrase, the money is in the list, right? What does that mean? That means the money is in your email list. And the majority of the people that you hold in high regard, the people that you follow, the multiple 6, 7, and even 8-figure income earners, the one thing that a vast percentage of them have in common is that they are very, very good at building their email list, building a relationship with that list, and getting people interested in their opportunities. So imagine if you could avoid that learning curve. Imagine if you were able to not have to spend 30 minutes a day trying to craft the perfect email, the perfect subject line, something attractive enough that people are going to want to click on your network marketing, affiliate marketing, or direct selling links, and that would get people to see your offers, right? Dramatically improve your click-through rate. So I just want to share with these stats with you really quickly today. Look at this. Conversion rate, 56.1%. Total leads who want to join, 27. Total sign-up, 69. Now, being fair, these total sign-ups, this number is included in that. So these are people that are looking to come on board right now, and they have received the click this button link to get started. So these are people that they're getting the information based on their interest, and that's a part of this number. But the conversions that I've been getting for this are extremely high, and I want to talk about this right here. Total replies sent, 482, right? Total conversations, 420. Total earnings currently, I'm closing in on close to $3,000. Income disclaimer, there are no guarantees of earning in any work from home business. Your efforts and the work that you put in, the daily action that you take, that's what's going to determine your success. But I need you to understand this, right? Mailbot, which is the Simple Commissions product, it's doing a few things. The first thing that it's doing is it's saving you a tremendous amount of time, because it's giving you the ability to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. And literally, you can set this up in under 10 minutes when you go through the onboarding to do that. But imagine the time that it would take, not only to create your own perfect email, but imagine the time that it would take for you to reply to every single email that you get sent relating to your business or your marketing systems. I avoided 482 replies from 482 inquiries because the Mailbot, the AI Mailbot assistant, did the work for me, and this is being done 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I don't have to check my emails at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning because the system is doing it for me. Total conversations, 420. This means it's continuously responding to the reply messages that my subscribers are sending it. And it does so on a very, very highly intuitive basis. Not only is Mailbot, because every member that gets Mailbot and is active, every member is getting their own Mailbot email address. And not only is this thing collecting leads, promoting the Simple Commissions program, allowing you to make $100 on an unlimited basis, but it's also getting you leads for the opportunities that you promote. So how does that work? Someone opts into my Mailbot, they get information on Mailbot, and on a daily basis, my Mailbot is sending out automated emails to the subscribers, sharing with them the opportunities that I currently promote. And you're going to have the same advantage of that. I have been a member of Exodus Elite. This is one of my businesses. Obviously, I blocked out this personal information, but you could see this is just one of several leads for my other offers that are coming in on a daily basis. So it's just, look, it's a fabulous workaround. Another reason why I love this system so much, look, if you're using any one of the popular email providers, you're paying a monthly fee. And the monthly fee goes according to the size of your email list. You avoid a lot of that with Mailbot, right? You don't have to pay monthly fees. You don't have to get caught up in any of that. And at the same time, even with those high price email providers, a certain number of your emails are going to end up in your spam or in your junk folder. Don't ask me how Simple Commissions does this, but from the very first day that I joined, personally speaking, and I used a secondary email address as proof, not one of the emails that the system sent me, not one of them has ever gone into my spam or junk folder. They're either going into my inbox or they are going into my promotions tab, which people check on a regular basis. Look, if you got some value from this video, drop me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You can go to the description right now below the video to get your free demo. And with that being said, once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care. Bye.